everyone, Rachel here from ChefsTemp. Here's how to wrap your meat and properly insert your ProTemp Plus probe correctly. Okay, let's wrap some meat. So today we're going to be wrapping some ham, but some other smoking meats include beef ribs, brisket, pork shoulder. When you're wrapping the meat, the Bluetooth signal may be weaker and you may lose connection to the probe. So here's what we recommend. Foil like you would, but let the probe poke out. You can also wrap around the probe if you choose. This way the signal comes through and keeps its Bluetooth connection. Don't worry, all the juices will still be locked in. Have a good smoke, y'all! For more information on any of our amazing ChefsTemp products or the ChefsTemp Pro Plus, go ahead and check out our website or subscribe to our channel. And remember, ChefsTemp always gets you to the perfect temp every time.